Hello, this is Ananya and thank you for purchasing our product. If you haven't purchased it yet, you can by going through the link given in the description below. So let's get started. This is your purchased file. It includes an APK file of the app. This is the documentation. These are the assets which are used in the app. This is the source code. Now let's copy the directory. Now come to the Android Studio. Open the existing Android Studio project. Let us paste the directory that we had copied. OK. Let Android Studio take its time. And there we had completed the process for setting up the project in Android Studio. In the next video, we will see the further process. Once again, thank you for purchasing our product. If you haven't purchased, then you can find it through the link in the description below.